Hi guys, so welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to do smooth skin retouching in Photoshop. So let's start our video. And before starting this video, as I said to everyone, Jai Sri Ram, Jai BAJRANGBALI. Now this is my output, okay, and this is my input. Now this is my input, and this is now my output, okay. So how can I do this? So first of all, let me this layer. Now this is I have this photo. So I have this image. Now just hold this image and duplicate it. After duplicating, just select this layer and just keep this vivid light, okay. Change the operation. After this, just here hit here Ctrl I to invert it, and just go to this filter option, sorry, filter option, and then just go to other. After going to other, just click this high pass. Now I have put this value 18, okay. Just put this value, and after this go to filter again and keep this blur and put this Gaussian blur, and you can keep this at your choice value, right. After click this okay. Now just hit here layer mask and put it Ctrl I again. It will be inverted, right. Now on of this nothing is happening, right. Just select the brush tool. After selecting the brush tool, you guys can do some flow and opacity, okay. And now just put this. Now see how cool is it, right. And it's kind of de-aging work, okay. See so cool it's working, right. So that's why just keep the brush and just do some paint. You guys can use this flow more high little bit, okay, to do more smooth work, okay. See, right. So this is what too much fine, right. Just do it properly, okay. Check the brush properly, okay. You can do this anywhere of the skin, not only face, okay. So that's the thing, okay. So after doing this, now see your work, right. It was before and now see, so cool, right. And after this also, you guys, if you want, then just put this fill a little bit down, okay. See, it's worked too much fine, right. See, so that's the method of this, okay. So I hope you like this video. If you guys like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and please share this video with others. Thank you. Before ending this video, as I say to everyone, Jai Sri Ram, Jai MERA.